Hello everyone, this is Leah again from Tundra Land Investments, and we have a 0.51 acre lot for sale at Eucha, Oklahoma, Delaware County. This lot is close to Neosho River where you can enjoy on-site activities like rafting, fishing, and watching wildlife. If you are interested, this land is available at tundrainvestments.com, where we offer affordable land across North America. Here you can see all of our listings. You may also view photos and more information on each lot. To purchase or reserve your desired lot, simply fill out the buyer's application form. Make sure to fill out and review all the information, then click on Submit. For more information, call us at 813-763-4756 or visit our website at tundrainvestments.com.